Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Lofi, the Yeti token. Ticker symbol is Lofi, L-O-F-I. Now this token is getting a brand new big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 4th, on a very big central exchange, and we're going to go over the information on the Lofi token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, you can find their webpage at lofitheyeti.com. Now, this is a meme coin on the SWE blockchain. If you want to find the chart, you can find it on Dex Screener. They actually have a Dex Screener link on their webpage here. You can find this token on SWEScan. On their webpage, they have a buy now button, a how to buy button, tokenomics. They have an Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, and a Twitter. So it says, "We are all Lofi." That is the tagline for this token here. Now, this token, it was just announced, is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 4th at 13 hours, 1 p.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Lofi, and then simply just buy the token. Now, going on today, December 3rd, there is a Kickstarter event happening for this token. We're on Mexc Global. You could vote with MX tokens and potentially win airdrops, and there is a reward pool available of 50,000 USDC up for grabs, and you can check that out on Mexc Global today, and then the listing is tomorrow. Also tomorrow, there's some other Mexc Global big tokens being listed, and you can check those out on my channel. I'll be posting a couple other videos on Mexc tokens, so check those out as well. Now, it says here, frozen in time, awakened for the future. Lofi was trapped for a millennia, encased in ice deep within the Himalayas. As Earth's warming and global tensions rose, Lofi was freed, only to find a world overwhelmed by tribalism and chaos. But Lofi is not here to dwell in the past. He's determined to his own future. When he discovered the SWE blockchain, he found his purpose: to unite a new family of Yetis, builders, believers, and dreamers who are ready to challenge the status quo to build a better financial future. Now, this token here, it says, has a total supply of 1 billion Lofi tokens. Now, if you go over to their chart site on Dex Screener, they're trending number 10 in the SWE section right now. They have a market cap of $32.9 million, and that is also their fully diluted valuation. Now, today they almost have a 24-hour trading volume of $1 million. Right now, it is $921,000. Just today, they've had 1,915 transactions. They have a token price of 3.28 cents per token. It's a brand new token just created under 2 weeks ago. The pair was created on the decentralized SWE exchange Cetus 10 days, 23 hours ago. So brand new token here. They have a little quick intel audit here. It says no honeypot, no mintable tokens. Now, if you wanted to get this token in a decentralized way, it does say there is a $1.3 million liquidity pool in Cetus. So you could get this token day prior to the central exchange listing, to the Mexc global listing, by getting this token off Cetus. First of all, you would need to download a SWE wallet from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with SWE. Now you could fund that wallet with SWE from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with SWE. You'd go into the dApps. You would find Cetus. Now there's some other other decentralized exchanges you could use, like Turbo's Finance, Blue Move is another one, and then Cetus. So any one of those you could probably use for this token because of how popular it is. You would use one of them decentralized exchanges and trade your SWE for this token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is LofiTheYeti.com. Now you can also check out their Telegram at Lofi on SWE. Has 1,111 subscribers. You can preview the channel before joining. That's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project, like new token listings, partnerships, memes. Everybody needs to see new meme announcements, all that fun stuff here. On their webpage, they do have a how to buy using Cetus on the webpage. It says you can also use hop.ag. It shows you step by step how to use all that on their webpage, LofiTheYeti.com, if you want to use the decentralized exchange, or you could just get the token off of Mexc Global tomorrow. But yeah, born again in the 21st century, Lofi embodies optimism, courage, and a vision for a better tomorrow. Lofi is not just another avatar for the new dawn of finance, but a movement. Now, Lofi represents a collective mission to build a thriving, forward-thinking economy and ecosystem on the SWE blockchain. Together, we are Lofi. Together, we are building the future. The future is decentralized finance and bright. You can build it with us. Now, at the very bottom of their webpage, there's tons of memes. It says it's optimistic by nature, impact-driven, bold yet brave, and join the movement. Tons of socials you could check out. Collaboration, community, and content is their mission. And yeah, check it all out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.